Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings from Avalon Technologies Private Limited located in Chennai. So as you can see here, they are conducting walk-in drive for Diploma Triple and ECE freshers and up to 3 years of experienced candidates on 25th and 26th April 2022 from 9 a.m. onwards, and the address details are mentioned here. You can please go through with that, and if you have any queries regarding this notification, you can reach out to them with the given contact numbers.